Hi and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking shallot and spring onion prawns. So let's start cooking. Now we'll prepare the sauce for the prawns. I have with me over here 120 milliliters of water. Add in 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of light soy sauce, 1 teaspoon of sugar, a few dashes of white pepper, as well as 1 tablespoon of corn flour. Mix it all up well together and we'll set this aside. Now we're going to prepare our scallion and spring onion oil. Heat up a pan or wok using medium-low heat. For this, we need a little bit more oil than usual. We need to flavor up this oil so that our prawns will be really tasty later. We need enough oil to sort of fry our scallion and shallots. We don't have to wait for the oil to heat up. Add in 5 shallots sliced thinly like this. Put it in. 4 stalks of spring onions using only the stem at this moment. Just put them in also. Move them around using medium-low heat. We'll fry this until they are a little bit light brown. We need to flavor this oil up. And this dish is going to be very delicious. This will take a little bit of time and I'll show you how they look like in a while. I've been cooking this for a while. They have turned brown already or golden brown. We'll now remove them from the hot oil. Leave the oil behind. We're going to use the oil to fry our prawns. You don't have to turn off the heat, but if you want to, you can do so too also, no problem. After you're done with this, we'll just set the shallots aside because we're going to use them later. Now we're going to pan fry our prawns. Heat up your shallot oil. Make sure that it's hot enough. Swirl the oil around a little bit. For the prawns, in order for it not to splatter too much, please do cut out the eyes as well as the tail end over here because these are the places where there's a lot of liquid. Pat dry your prawns. I've also deveined them and cut them into halves like this. So we just slide them in. The prawns I'm using are pretty big. The total weight of this is approximately 620 grams. You need to fry this for a little while. You need to cook them up. These prawns are so beautiful. We need to cook both sides. When one of the sides are actually red in color, we need to turn it to the other side. I'm using medium heat over here. You can do the same too. If you're afraid of the splattering, you can always put a lid on and then we'll just let this slowly pan fry for approximately 2 minutes on each side. I'll catch you back in a while. I've been frying the prawns for 2 minutes already. Let's have a look. Right, wow, smells absolutely fantastic. Now we need to flip it to the other side. Wow, look at how beautiful charred this is. This is the result that we want. Of course, use a tong for those that you haven't flip out or flip over. Use a tong and then just place it to the other side, like this. So after you've done this, we'll still need to fry this for another 2 minutes or so. Because my prawns are really big, so we need to cook them for a little while. But if your prawns are not as big, approximately a total time of 3 minutes or a little less than that will be good enough. I'll see you back in a while. They're almost done already. We just need to get a little bit more charred on the shell to bring out the super flavor of the prawns. Oh, this is smelling so good. We need to cook this for approximately until it's about 80% done. Then we add in our sauce. Right, something like this is good. Now we add in our sauce. Give your sauce a good mix first before you add them in. And pour everything in. Move them around. Now we add in the rest of our spring onions. Add in also 1 tablespoon of Chinese cooking wine or Hua Diao Jiu. This is optional. For those of you who don't take alcohol, you can omit this. Give it a flip. Now you can add in your fried shallots inside here. If you want them to be crunchy, you can just add them after you have plated the dish. Look at how beautiful this is. And now it's time for our lunch. And now the dish is done. Let's have a taste. Oh, smells absolutely amazing. Pardon me for using my hand. Just like to try some of the sauce first. Very nice. The prawns. Super crunchy. The sauce savory, a little bit sweet. This is really fantastic. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. 哇，好吃。